Hello, I'm Roshan Kore, dietitian at Narayana Health SRCC Children's Hospital. Today we are going to discuss about the topic what are the nutritional needs of school-going children. Children who go to school range from the age group of 6 years to 12 to 15 years. This is the time when they are spending a lot of time outside their house. Also, this is the time when they are highly influenced by family, peers, and media as to what they like to eat and what they don't. During this period, children should be given at least 4 to 6 different meals throughout the day. Around 3 to 4 main meals consisting of breakfast, lunch, an evening snack, and dinner, with an additional snack at mid morning and late evening. This will ensure that the kids get a lot of nutrients that are required by the body. No single food will be able to provide all that the children need during this phase of growth and development. It is therefore essential to follow the principle of the My Food Plate or the 5 food groups so that we can ensure that all different seasonal fruits, vegetables, protein foods, grains, and water is included in the child's diet. This is also the period when the child is very much influenced to eat junk foods, and this will further cause them to lose out on the essential nutrient while getting only calories, leading to obesity as they grow older. Children who are going to the school will also be very active. They are running throughout the day, they have sports, they play, and this is very important for their growth and development. Physical activity also will boost their immunity as well as their appetite. And when they are hungry, the right kind of food will help to gain the best nutritional intake that they deserve. So, make sure you're including a lot of diversity of foods in the child's diet so that he has a healthy future as an adult. Thank you.